Determining the installation position. Installation environment and position requirements for the SUN2000. The unit must be installed vertically or with a backward tilt of maximum 15 degrees when it is mounted on a wall or a standard support. The unit must be installed vertically or with a backward tilt of maximum 75 degrees when it is mounted on a tilted support. Space requirements for a wall-mounted installation. Installation modes for multiple SUN2000 units. The space requirements for support-mounted installation, wall-mounted installation, and tilted support-mounted installation are the same.